Okay, I've roughed up the 1020 dual band dipole. I've got about 34 foot of wire here. I've got the spacers in. I've got the center done with a 10-foot length of coax. I've got it stretched between the deck and the step ladder. So we've got going to measure the 20-meter element. Now what I'm shooting for is an overall length of 31 foot 8, which would be 15 foot 10 on the side. So I'm going to measure and make some adjustments here at the ends. I am 15 foot 8 to the center of the dipole. Then I've measured the other end and we should be perfect. Okay, we've got it measured. I've got, I'm going to clip off the excess wire. And I've got extra wire wrapped around here just in case I have to make it longer. And same way on the 10-meter section. And we're gonna raise it up a little bit, and we are going to check it with the analyzer. Make sure we're close, and if we're close enough, I'm going to pull up in the air a bit. And then once we get about, I don't know, 6 or 8 feet above the ground, then I think I'll feel comfortable in pulling it up higher. So I'm going to go get the analyzer and we're going to see where we are at different heights. I've got several places and with pulleys I can pull this up. So we have built it. I've got to tighten up the knots and maybe put a tie wrap. So I get this one 10 meters looped around this, so that's not going to move. And until I make sure everything is right, I'm not going to tie that one down. Same way on here, I've got it looped around, and up here it can move. And we're secure here. So I think we're ready to start doing some checks. This is a 10 meter dual band dipole. Now, right directly above me, difficult to see, but that's another one just like this one. And I got the dimensions from that one. That one was a few inches too short, so I've made this one just a little bit longer. Okay, we've got it up. It's resonant at the bottom of the 20 meter band on CW and resonant on the bottom of the 10 meter band on CW, and it's usable throughout the entire band. Difficult to get it against the trees, but the center insulator should be right in the middle of the picture, and I've got 2 spaces on each side of the center, and there you can see the antenna coming out. And this is a plot of the my 3 dipoles. The orange sector is where my north-south antenna is the best. The purple sector is where my northeast southwest dipole is best, and then the red is where my east-west dipole is the best. I plotted all three patterns and overlaid them, and this is where those two antennas cross over. So right here I would see equal signal strength from these two antennas. Same here. At any intersection, the signal strength should be the same on either antenna. And as you move toward the center, anything in here is where the east-west antenna would dominate. The middle of this one is about where the north-south antenna would dominate. And over in Europe, in about 45 degrees, is where the European dipole, the northeast southwest dipole, will dominate. My testing today indicated that the signals from, I was listening to signals from Australia on long path. They were coming in 2S units better on my east-west antenna. Signals from up in Ontario were coming in a couple of S units or more better on my north-south antenna. So by switching with my remote switch, it's just like I'm turning my Yagi. I can hear a signal if I turn the antenna. Sometimes I'm getting two S units. Sometimes it seems like more. And occasionally on some signals, it doesn't matter. All three antennas seem like they're equal. So there's a big difference in time of day and in direction and exactly how the signals are propagating. But in general, this tells me what I need to know.